Hello, today I have received my shipment for these two beautiful ficus plants. One of them are Ficus robusta or Ficus elastica, and this is Ficus lirata. Today I'm going to talk about this Ficus robusta, so I'll put this lirata aside. These are quite beautiful house plants. Today I have got it arrived from China, so I'm gonna unwrap this and plant it into this beautiful red vase. After this, I'm gonna show you how to take care of these plants, the real benefit of this plant, also how to care of it. So as you can see, this is how I have received it, almost been 5 to 7 days being on the way to arrive me to reach me here. What I'm going to do basically, since I have a pot that doesn't have any hole in the bottom, so I'm going to start using some hydro stones. So I'll add some hydro stone at the bottom of this vase just to absorb the water and helps the plant grow very well. Just one small layer of the hydro stone would be enough. I'm going to add some extra soil. It's basically pre-mixed potting soil with some cocoa peat as well as perlite. So I'm going to add some of this mixture to my pot. Then I'm going to plant the ficus in this. I'll add some soil around it. You might wonder why I have to order these plants, this common plant from somewhere to reach me here, because it might look like a normal rubber plant, but no, it's not. That's the case. I'll show you exactly what is the difference between this and the other normal Ficus robusta. So as you can see here, I have the leaves, which is dark green leaves, and I have behind the leaves basically is a purplish color. Like if I compare it to the normal Ficus robusta, you have just a normal green behind the leaf. This is one of the old plants that I have at home, but this one is a different between this and that one. So this is the most beautiful Ficus robusta with having the purplish color behind the leaf, so that makes it more unique and more expensive compared to the normal Ficus robusta. I'm going to add some decorative stones around this. Then after this, we will be moving forward to talk about the care and the benefit of this beautiful species. So yes, here I have it now, looking pretty well. Yeah, it looks nice. Add some more stones. So this beautiful plant known as Ficus Elastica or India rubber fig. Benefits of these plants is one of the best house plants that basically cleans the air. Also balances the humidity in your house or in your room. It has quite high resistance to pests, insects and disease. As well as it's quite healthy. Basically, it's quite healthy plants, as well as ensure the health for you as well. With very low maintenance. It's one of the very low maintenance plants. So as you can see, it's easy to care and maintain this one. Talking about the care for these plants, the first element of all the natural plants is actually the light. This one, it needs indirect bright light, but also can cope with the low light as well. So not necessarily for you to have it all the time. We can indirect light or a bright corner. If you have some dark corner in your room also, you can display these plants there. Also knowing that keeping this plant next to the window, that sometime throughout the day or maybe early mornings or late in the evening, in the afternoon, they probably get some indirect sunlight coming through the window. It definitely damages the leaves. So that's not the kind of indirect light we are talking about. Just a bright light is going to be more than enough. Talking about the watering of these plants, it's weekly once, or also to keep the top part of the soil always moist. So I'm going to show you now. Just keeping it moist. Maybe every 2 or 3 days once. We're going to do the same thing. That also ensures the watering level for this beautiful Ficus Elastica. The temperature for this plant is between 16 to 24 degrees. Also, I will tell you the sign of the low light or high lights in these plants. When basically the leaves start getting brown around the edges, that means the plants is not getting proper light. So maybe it's getting too low light, which is the leaves start getting brown in the corner and start getting dry. So, and then you find that the leaves are getting completely brown or completely dry. That means that there are too much indirect light directly coming to the plant and then making it quickly dry out the leaves. Also, the sign of watering the plant, which is overwater. One of the signs that you will know that this plant has been overwatered, the leaves easily fall off. If by a finger and by a small touch, the leaves will quickly fall off. That means the plant has overwatered already. So when you see that there is no enough water there, usually the leaves getting more softer and getting more loose. That's the time that it needs some water. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please write me in the comments if you need to know more about these plants or any other plants that you want me to talk about it in my videos. Please subscribe to our page, like and share this video, and wait for our next videos. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.